Girl, I bought this wig off Amazon for $68, and she's cute, and she got body, and this is kind of slaying. So yes, stay tuned for the video. Oh, you know that nothing lies. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to jump in the video by showing you how I got the blonde pieces in the front. This wig does not come pre-colored, but it is pre-constructed, and the wig is actually very, very nice. So the first thing I'm going to do is part the wig down the middle, and then I'm going to just section off like a little triangle in the front of the wig or in the closure to go ahead and lighten it with the bleach. I'm going to start off with my quick blue bleaching powder in my mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add some 40 volume developer by Clairol, my red and gold color correcting drops, and then I'm going to also add in this all plex solution that is supposed to be like a dupe for the Olaplex solution or system, and it is usually used to prevent your hair from being completely fried when you go through the bleaching process. And because this is a wig and it is cheap, I wanted to not strip the hair completely and save the hair on the closure. So that's what I did. I'm going to just go in and apply that with my tinting brush, and as I get towards the top, I'm going to turn my brush vertically, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into the root. I do keep a dark root and then just kind of blend it in there. As I'm applying my bleach mixture, I'm just trying to spread the hair and make sure I cover every strand so I can get an even color. So after about 25 minutes of letting it sit in the foil, I went in and washed the hair with some purple shampoo, and I let it air dry. Although it didn't come out as light as I had hoped, it did come into this like 33-ish kind of color, and it was cute. So let it air dry, and I'm going to go straight into styling. So I'm going to go in with this Tresemme heat protectant spray. I'm going to just lightly mist it on the hair. Then I'm going to use my 1.5 inch flat iron by Conair Pro, and I'm going to go in and press out the hair. So I don't know if y'all can see what I see, but this hair is super nice. Like, it's got a very nice natural sheen. It's nowhere near stiff, like, at all. It's very soft. Oh my god, it's just, I'm really in love with this wig, y'all. So it is very like first time wig wear friendly. I would recommend this for any girls that want a quick wig to throw on. It is a 5x5 closure wig, so the maintenance on it is not like a frontal wig, and highly recommended. So I'm going in with the wax stick, and I do this normally for all of my lace type of wigs. I go in and I press out the root with my hot comb. The closure doesn't have a ton of like flyaways either, which is another thing that I was really feeling about the wig. But this hot comb I got from Walmart. Just a side note, if you are wearing frontals, full lace, closures, anything with lace, you need to have some sort of like hot comb so you can make sure you are pressing out the root so it's not bumpy and it's not lumpy up at the top, and then you know you can get like a flat install. So I'm just going in, I'm gonna continue to press that all out. The wax stick helps to melt all of like the hairs together. Not necessarily melt, but just like it helps it to be flat. It gives it a little bit of sheen and it's not stiff. So I mean, I feel like most girls also should probably have some sort of wax stick that they use on their closure pieces. And this is really also good for leave out. If you're having natural hair leave out and you need to press it out, wax stick is your friend. So I'm just going in and I'm utilizing that to flatten it out, and then I'll be moving on to the other side. In this angle, you can clearly see like the side that's pressed versus the side that's not. The pressed side just looks a lot better. I'm going to use my wax stick again to rub in between my palms and go over the ends of the hair, just because there are quite a few split ends, as to be expected with something in this price range. It has its up and downs, and I'm just going to go in and trim the ends because I don't really like that you can see through the end of the hair. So once I finish dusting all my ends, I'm going to go in with my flat iron again and go in and bump them. Is bumping even a word anymore? I don't know. I'm turning the flat iron basically on the hair to lightly like give the hair a little bit of fold. I don't even know the right word, but anywho, y'all see what I'm doing. I'm bumping the ends right now, and then that's going to be pretty much the styling of the actual wig before I do the installation. All right, y'all, so let's plop this bad boy on our head. The first thing you're gonna see me doing is looking ratchet, but what I'm doing is adding oil in between my braids. I do this all the time, or in between like times that I take my wig off, so I can make sure that my scalp has a little bit of natural oil. And then I go in and I cover her up, raggedy or not. I cover her up with a wig cap. I'm going in with 91% alcohol and a cotton pad, and I'm just going to lightly go over the area where the adhesive spray will be put on, showing you the inside of the wig, how it's constructed. Very nice and neat. 3 combs, 5x5 closure, which I felt like was a little bit longer than 5x5, but still great. I'm going in and customizing my lace color before I install it also. This is the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator concealers. I'm in the level 14, and I just mixed the 2 shades. This wig fits very nicely, so I would say it's big head friendly, and I could normally just wear it without having to put in adhesive spray on it, but for the video I'm going to go in and apply it with some Got To Be spray. Show you this quick install. This takes me about 5 minutes to do, honestly, and then I'm out the door. So this is very much so a throw on and go wig. She is affordable. She is like true to description. The hair is nice and shiny. I mean, just everything about this wig has been positive for me. The few negative things that I've had, or of course the ends being thin, and then the flyaways or the split hairs on the wig. Other than that, like, it's got a natural density. I'd say it's probably 130. To me, it's like fine because I wear this wig as an everyday wig, and yeah, I have no complaints so far. So as I finish up the hair, y'all, I'm just going to give you like a little review. So I did purchase this hair with my own money. It was $68. I have an Amazon Prime account, and I ordered this because I was just looking for like a weekend wig. I don't know if anybody else has any real purpose for a weekend wig, but you know what I mean. Like, I just needed something different. I found this wig. It's a 5x5 closure wig, and it was in the length 18 inches. The hair comes straight. I think it is of a Brazilian, or it claims to be of a Brazilian origin, Brazilian straight hair. And it's very nice. The closure itself came tweezed very lightly. I went in and tweezed more just to kind of mimic my hairline. And then I did bleach the knots also. And yeah, the wig is like very nicely made. My head fits in there great. I had no issues. Shipping came in a day. And I would highly recommend this wig, y'all. This wig is perfect for girls that quote unquote don't wear wigs, or have never worn a wig. If you're scared to wear a wig, this is your girl. Like, super easy maintenance, okay? I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Check it out, see what you think. But other than that, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.